In today's lesson, we're continuing our discussion of angle relationships that we started in Module 3. In the first example, the measures of two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 2 to 3. Find the two angles. Now, we're going to create a tape diagram to help us. We're going to use our knowledge that supplementary angles will add to 180 degrees. Now, when I'm setting up a tape diagram of a ratio of 2 to 3, I'd set up two stacks. One that's 2 boxes, the other that is 3 boxes. I know that those 5 boxes together will be equal to 180 degrees, so I can use that as an equation. Divide both sides by 5, and I get x is equivalent to 36 degrees. Now that x is 36 degrees, I can go back to my tape diagram and make every box in the tape 36 degrees. 36 times 2 is 72 degrees, so that's one of the angles. And the other angle is equal to 108 degrees. 3 times 36 is 108. Other examples today had us looking at diagrams and trying to create angle relationships and equations that we can solve. For the first example, you will see that I have angle x and I have angle y. Now, angle x is this angle here. It's not simply just from the beginning of that right angle to the other edge of the line. It goes to between two angles, basically, and creates an angle x that's larger than either one of the individuals. Now, I'm not going to start there. I'm going to start with the y value. The y value and the 16 together create the right angle. So they are complementary. They add to 90. So y plus 16 equals 90, and I could subtract the 16 away to get y is equivalent to 74. Now that I know this is 74, I can look back at x and the y and know that together they form a straight line. Together they are supplementary and add to 180 degrees. So I can write x plus 74 equals 180, subtract by 74, and I'll get x is equivalent to 106 degrees. Notice, when I have two variables, I need two different equations to solve them. And sometimes, the order matters. I had to solve for y first, not x first. So it's really about analyzing it and figuring out the angle relationships you have and what equations you can write with those angle relationships.